Hi there, spice lovers. Welcome back to Culinary Delights. Today we are making jambalaya, Louisiana's answer to what do I do with all this rice? So let's get saucy. First, let's gather all our ingredients. We've got 1 green bell pepper, dice it up really well. 1 large onion, give that a dice as well. 2 to 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. I use Nunu's, however if you don't have Cajun seasoning, then click the link up on the top right hand corner for the recipe to make your own seasoning, or click the link found in the description section of this video. Also 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 cups of rice, 3.5 cups of water, 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, because when making jambalaya we just don't want to wing it. 1 smoked sausage cut into circles, because we know that sausage is like that friend we always like having at the party. 1 pork chop cut into bite-sized pieces, because it's the cousin of bacon, so why not? Shrimp can also be added as well, however add the shrimp towards the end, otherwise it'll be like chewing an old leather shoe. Time to sauté. In goes the pork, chicken and sausage. Let them mingle for a few minutes. They'll form a beautiful friendship and we'll get all those flavors that shout out, hey, let's party. Remove the meat from the pot and place it in another bowl so they can continue to develop that newfound friendship. Now, toss in the diced onions and the green bell peppers into the same oil that our meat was cooked in. This will add another level of flavor to our dish. Once the onions are clear in color, remove all the veggies and place in a bowl. Next, we add the rice into the pot and add some oil to it. We're going to fry the rice until it is a little brown in color and it'll have a nutty smell. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes. Rice is like that introvert friend who shows up and suddenly the party's complete. Add 3.5 cups of water. If you prefer, you can add 3.5 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock instead of the water. In my humble opinion, the water is good enough. Give it a good stir. Now we add the meat into the rice, give it a good stir and add the onions and green peppers. Give it a good stir as well. And now we add the Worcestershire sauce. This will cause you to sing, Jeremiah was a bullfrog. And now in goes the Cajun seasoning. This is where the magic happens. Just think of it as a little Cajun confetti for our jambalaya. Next, add the garlic. This will cause a flavor tsunami to take place. Bring the pot to a boil for about 5 minutes to make sure the meat is cooked through. Let it simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes. This is the perfect time to grab a snack, binge watch a show, or contemplate your life choices, like why didn't I start this cooking channel sooner? Occasionally stir the pot. You may want to add some more water, like a cup or so, because we know some rice seems to be a lot thirstier than other rice. When the rice is no longer crunchy but cooked through, then it's ready. The rice will continue to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Jambalaya is definitely like Mardi Gras in a pot. Now for the moment of truth. Now that's lekker. It's got that kick, that flavor. It's just like a party for my taste buds. Just remember, if anyone asks for the recipe, tell them it's a family secret, which means it's on YouTube for the world to see. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this jambalaya adventure, like, subscribe, and remember to keep it spicy. Until the next time, happy cooking and God bless.